Now, if you've been trying to figure out how to apply into the Amazon Influencer Program, then this video is for you. I've been accepted into the program with 3 different accounts. I've also posted over 1,600 product review videos. And so I'm going to share with you a few tips that you should know before applying into the program, and also explaining what the application process looks like, but also give you a few tips if you do not get accepted the first time, and also what you should do next if you do get accepted into the program the very first time you apply. Also, real quick, my name is Mckellar. This is a brand new channel. If you could do me a huge favor, hit the like button and subscribe. And if just one person subscribes to my channel from this video, I will continue to post about how to help you make more money on Amazon every week. Let's dive in. So a few things to know before you apply into the program is, one, you do need an active Amazon account, a consumer account. If you do have an active Amazon Seller Central account, like if you sell products on Amazon, I highly recommend getting a different Amazon account to apply with. And you do have to be over 18 to apply into the program. Real quick, if you want to learn more on how to get approved into the influencer program or how to increase your commissions month after month, I have a free guide, the Amazon Influencer Cheat Code, that I'll link down below in the video description. It'll tell you everything you need to know about the influencer program, and think of it as my free gift to you for watching this video. Also inside the guide is a link to my Facebook group, which you can join for free, where you can ask questions, get more help, and learn the best practices for the influencer program. Like I said, this guide is in the video description. Make sure to grab your free copy. And the second thing you should know before applying is, even though the name is Amazon Influencer Program, by no way, shape, or form do you need to be an influencer. You don't necessarily need a huge following. I got accepted into the program one time with a TikTok following of just over 140 followers. And so you don't need to have this massive audience to apply into the program. You just need to have good engagement. Now, the application process into the influencer program is really broken up into 2 separate parts. The first part is you're going to apply with a social media channel of yours. This could be a YouTube channel, a TikTok account, an Instagram account, or even a Facebook page. Not a Facebook profile, but a Facebook page. And why are they having you apply with a social media channel? Well, one, this is how they actually weed out like super fake accounts or bots, but really they're wanting to test if you have high engagement on your social media channel. So they're not really necessarily testing for how many followers you have, how many posts you have. They want to see if you have an active following on social media, because the whole point of the program is essentially to help Amazon drive traffic, drive customers through your social media channel onto their platform. That's one of the many ways, but really the biggest incentive for you is you can make money, really good money, with product review videos on Amazon. That's a discussion for a different day. But in reality, that's what they're looking for. They're looking for high engagement on your social media channel. Now, I go through the whole process of getting better engagement, how to increase your engagement on your social media channel, inside of a different video that I will link up above. But for now, that's what you should know, is you need to apply with a social media channel. As far as what channel, typically TikTok or an Instagram account has a better chance of getting approved, because your virality or like the engagement is a lot higher on those platforms. But you can get approved with any of the one of 4 accounts. Now, like I said, if you get denied, you can still apply as many times as you'd like. There's no penalty. You can even do it for weeks, months. But in reality, just in short, what's going to help you is by posting more consistently, having actually good posts, using hashtags, posting in your story, having more people like, follow, and interact with your account. And then I promise you, you will get approved, regardless if it takes 1 week or 4 weeks or 6 weeks. Okay. Now, part 2 is going to be getting approved for what they call on-site commissions. Once you're approved with your social media channel, then you need to get approved to actually post review videos onto Amazon's platform. What that looks like is you're going to submit 3 review videos onto your Amazon storefront for a real person on Amazon to approve or deny. Okay. That's all they're looking for. And really, my biggest tips for this is simply review products around your house that you know a lot about. Talk about why you bought the product, what you use it for, what you like about it, demonstrate and show the features of the product. You could say something like, these glasses fold like this, or they are green light glasses. I use these glasses to watch TV at nighttime or use my phone, whatever the case may be. Okay. You're going to submit 3 review videos, no more than 3, no less. And then someone's going to approve or deny them. Okay. I promise you, you will get approved. I will also link a separate video up above that goes into a little bit more like a script that you can use to get approved. But then after that, then you're going to get a notification saying that you've been approved to the program, and then you could start earning for on-site commissions. Okay, that is the application process, and that is how you actually apply into the Amazon influencer program. Now, what do you do next? Okay, with that being said, I highly recommend just starting by reviewing products around your house, but I also do have a few tips that I go into scaling your commissions past $100 a day inside of my free guide that I'll link up above. I suggest you access that. And inside the guide is a link to my private group where you can come in and ask me questions. But if you're still unsure on what to do next, I would say maybe the next step after that is to just simply set up your Amazon storefront, and I have a video right here that explains that step by step that I will leave right here. Check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.